part of our math class, we had to do a real world research project and apply some of the, theory and concepts and lessons that we were learning to kind of a real world problem. And at this point, everyone was, the teacher had given us a couple of options, 10 or so different, real world things that we could go apply math to. Some of them were like roulette. Some of them were to like horse racing or something like that, statistics and so forth. And, we always had the freedom to do our own thing as well. And I'm like, these things were all kind of, you could go and find papers online that would basically kind of do all the work for you if you wanted. But I wanted to do something that was much more relevant to me and much more relevant to my passions. And so I tried to apply it to the stock market. I tried to do like a quantitative analysis of how to build sort of a high performing portfolio. Like what kind of quantitative methods can you, and this is before I even knew what I was talking about.